Hey, I'm Chef Marco Niccoli. I wanted to give you an up-close look at the Nitro Blending System 2.0 from Blendtec, and more specifically, the frothing attachment. This is a perfect attachment for all of our needs in our coffee shop to make iced coffees, frappuccinos. I wanted to show you how it works. So we're gonna take, again, a cup from our restaurant, so there's little to no waste. We're gonna add it to the ring mold that fits our cup onto the stand. We're gonna add just a little bit of cream, and again, little bit goes a long way with this beautiful new attachment. So you're gonna seal it tight, and then we're gonna put it on, close the lid, and in just no time you have perfectly frothed cream. Perfect. Take it off the stand, remove the top. As you can see, perfect cream. Add a little bit of our iced coffee, some ice. And we're ready to go.